Hey guys, welcome to a new video for growth traders. So here you can see how we have captured an amazing option trade on Banknifty intraday. So let's have a look at it without further delay. So you can see here guys that I have marked a symmetrical triangle pattern in my 5 minutes time frame in Banknifty. So this was a really important triangle pattern, and based on this itself we have traded. So first of all, let's understand the long term or the mid term trend basically. So you can see here that Bank Nifty is on a downtrend, right? Bank Nifty is on a downtrend. If I just go back, you are able to see this clearly, right? So this was a massive sell-off in Bank Nifty from around 35,800 to 3400, 1800 point downside rally. Now Bank Nifty was in the mood of a pullback, so you can see this is a pullback movement, right, in a downtrend. So basically our goal was to capture this pullback movement first of all. So what you can see is this triangle pattern. So again in the morning hours at around 12, right, so you can see the first candle closing. This is the first candle, 5 minute candle that closed above this trend line, and this is where we have made our entries, right? This was the entry point. So right at around 34 430 440 level we had made our entry in the 34,400 call option, a weekly expiry, right? So from here we were holding. My stop loss was around at here 34,341, so around a 60 point stop loss. That translates to about 40 to 30 to 40 points in the 34,400 call option, right? So from here I hold the stock, right? I hold the option from around here, and we are able to capture a nice movement from around here to around here, right? You can see this very clearly. So I have booked at around 34,620 after I have 1 is to 3 properly, right? So around here, so my trade was just around this much. So here is my stop loss, and this is my target of around 1 is to 3. You can see this clearly. So the target was more or less around the 200 period exponential moving average in the 5 minutes time frame, because you can see that it was acting as a resistance area. You can see this very clearly that if I go back, right, if I go back, you can see 200 EMA in the 5 minute time frame was acting as a resistance, and price got rejected from there and underwent a downside movement, right? So you can see this very clearly. So you can see that now that after Bank Nifty breaks this triangle pattern, we can see a nice upside movement. Those who were holding it till this 34,750 resistance mark, they would have been at a profit of about 180 to 200 points in the call option which I have mentioned, right? So that is the trade guys. That was an amazing trade. Also I had also given one more entry at around here. Just a second. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, I have given one. Yeah, yeah, so I had also given one more entry right at around this point. So you can see this is a trend line. This is a small triangle pattern breakout again. So you can see this right at around here in the 3 minutes time frame. If I switch to that, right, this was an upside movement from around here. So you can see we had actually given a trade at around this one. Right after it, we can see this breaking out. So from here to here we were able to capture one more trade of about 120 points. This was more or less a scalping trade, right? But right after this double top was printed out, right, you can see this was a crucial double top. So first of all, let's have a look at the 15 minutes time frame. So you can see it clearly that this is an important resistance mark, right? This was an important resistance, trend line resistance, right? And Bank Nifty was on a midterm downtrend. So you can see it clearly that Bank Nifty rejects from the 100 exponential moving average in our 15 minutes time frame, as well as this trend line, as well as this resistance of about 34,800. So this is a really important event first of all. So right when we saw this double top printed out, we exited the trade first of all with around a 30-40 point profit, right? And we can see this downside selling pressure then. right? So this could actually be a really nice trade, but it was almost 3 p.m. After 3 p.m. it gave the movement. So yeah, not the best time to trade, right? Only half an hour left. So yeah, but still, it was around a 80 to 100 point movement. So that was it, guys. Like how we have captured the whole day. Two trades, very good trades, right? One more or less a scalping trade, one a really good 1:3 risk reward trade, which we have captured, right? So this was all about our option trade as of today. So hope you guys liked the analysis, hope you guys played it out. Those who are in our membership as well as in our free channel, I had updated there as well. Hope you guys traded that movement, right? So if you want to learn options trading on a deeper level, you need to understand price action, you have to understand option Greeks, right? So those are the important factors, right? You should learn. So if you want to learn it, then definitely join our membership. We are coming up with our options and future trading course on Banknifty, right, just before 15th of May. So make sure to book your seat right now, right? It will be really cheap. The details are in the description. You can just reach out to us. All the important links are given below. If you want to join our free membership, that the link is in the description. Just join it. It will be really helpful for you if you want to get some good trade updates, right, on a daily basis. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and a subscribe. See you guys in the next one.